Okay, next, let's refer to example 1. The diagrams on the right shows a right angle triangle PQR. Calculate the value of length of PR. So this part we didn't know, so let's put an unknown at X. When we look at the triangle, okay, seems like this is a right angle triangle and it's also noted here. By using theorem Pythagoras, from c square equals to a square plus b square, we can find such of x square equals to 8 square plus 15 square. So x square equals to 64 plus 225. It is equal to 289. So x is square root of 289, which is equal to 17. So we can write here this is 17 centimeter. Okay, next, question B. Question asks you to find sine PRQ. PRQ meaning that this is the angle and this is your eyes. Identify all the properties of trigonometry, which is the hypotenuse, adjacent and opposite. So suppose this is the opposite of R, this is the hypotenuse and this is the adjacent. So sin, the formula for sin is, we knew so write as sin angle of PRQ equals to opposite. Opposite is QP over Y. Hypotenuse is RP. So the value of QP is 15 over Y. The value of RP is 17. So this is for question B. Let's move on to question C. Say that cos angle of PRQ. We knew that cos is cha. So adjacent for R is length of QR and hypotenuse is RP. So length of QR is 8 over by 17. So our last question is D. Tangent QPR. We knew that tangent is 12. So write as tangent angle of QPR equal to, this time our eyes is at P, because P at the middle, meaning that this is the angle. The opposite supposed to be here and this is the adjacent. So opposite is QR over Y. Adjacent is QP. So QR is 8 and QP is 15. Okay, done. Okay, next, example 2. The diagram on the right shows right angle triangle PQT and RQS. PQR is a straight line. Given that length of SQ is 6 cm. So since the SQ is 6 and QTTS is equal, meaning that this is 3 cm and this is 3 cm. Calculate the length of QR. So if this part is 90 degrees, meaning that this is also 90 degrees, because it say that PQR is a straight line. So the total angle is supposed to be 180. So by using theorem Pythagoras, okay, for question A, say that, okay, for every hypotenuse, okay, C square equals to A square plus B square. We have the hypotenuse is 10. Okay, dia punya base tak tahu, kita boleh letakkan A square. Tinggi tahu 6, so 6 square. So I can say that A square equals to 10 square minus 6 square. So 10 square is 100, 6 square is 36. So A square equals to 64. So my A is square root of 64 is 8. Okay, question B. Length of PT. So since PT is the hypotenuse, okay, we can write as C square equals to A square plus B square. So I can also put here like PT square, okay, the name of the line, equals to 4 square plus 3 square. So PT square equals to 16 plus 9. PT square equals to 25. And finally my PT here is 5. So now I'm going to write the length. So I know that this is 5, this is 8. So we can go through to C. Question asks us sine. So sine SOH. So sine angle of QRS. So this is our eyes. It's supposed to be, this is the opposite and this is the adjacent. And always this is the hypotenuse. So QRS is equal to, opposite is 6 over by hypotenuse is 10. We can simplify the number. So this is 3 over by 5. So next, cos. We know that cos is CHA. So for question D, cos angle of TPQ is equals to TPQ, meaning that this is your eyes by looking opposite, and this is the adjacent, and suppose straight to the 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. So adjacent is 4 over by hypotenuse is 5. Next, tangent. Tangent is TOA. So tangent of angle PTQ. Now I'm looking at T. So this is my eyes. So I'm going to rub this one. So supposed to be, this is the opposite, adjacent, and this is always hypotenuse. So tangent equals to opposite is 4 and adjacent is 3. And lastly, F again, tangent. So tangent angle of QSR. Now this is my eyes by looking opposite from the S. It's supposed to be 8 is the opposite, this is the adjacent, and this is the hypotenuse. So tangent, we knew that tangent is TOA. So the opposite is 8, adjacent is 6. So simplify the number equals to 4 over by 3.